Welcome everyone, my name is Ryan Eliassi, welcome back. It has been a long time since I did a video. If you have been following up with the channel, you would see I posted a video 2 weeks ago for 2 hours. And I didn't see, but the video file on my computer was running pretty good, but on YouTube it was corrupted and I don't know why. It was a .mkv file. All my videos are .mkv. So yeah, what I have been doing during this month or so is developing a game on Unity, as you can see. Unity is a game engine. A game engine means a program that lets us make games, obviously. So, you can see here my world. I have made a character is in form of a cylinder. You can control him up, down, right, left. You can crouch and slide. You can jump, wall run. No, not wall run. I'm still working on wall running. It is a little bit glitchy. And here is the grappling hook. As you can see, I can slide using the grappling hook. It is like a rope that attaches to an object and make us fly around it or move around it. You can use the WASD keys to move around, fly around, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And now I am trying to do to program wall running into the game, but that's not the only thing. No, that's not the only thing I have been doing during all of this time. Okay, let's save it. I do not want to open the scene. Okay, I'm going to open the next one and I'll be right back. Don't go away. Well, here we go. As you can see all the project that I have done during the last few days. This is one of my first projects. I don't know why is it called like that, but it is a 3D world. In this 3D world, I just developed the character. He can move around, the camera can move around. There is no jumping, no obstacles, no crouching, no sliding, no anything. And this, as the title says, 2D game test. This was my first 2D game, making it, and it wasn't so easy, I should say. Blind Life, it was also a 2D game. Blind Guess, also a 2D game. Now Highland was a 3D game, and on this I just developed the map and nothing else, no character, no nothing. And I think it got corrupted and I had to redo everything. I didn't want to redo everything, so I created a new Unity project and just tested around some new palettes. Used Photoshop to make new palettes for 2D worlds. So this one was a 2D world. This one I called it first full game. I think there was a problem in there. It was crashing because I loaded a lot of entities. Sorry, and yeah, Unity just was stuck and loading again. And this is parkour, the last one. This was what I introduced in the intro. So let's load it and let's get back into it, I guess. True. So here we go. Here is the world. You can use the right click to move the camera around. You can use these arrows. You can locate yourself elsewhere. Here is the character and his grappling gun right here, the character's cylinder, and I organized everything to the main camera of the player and the gun's position. The gun position is like a little area in that defines where the gun or the grappling hook is. The cube is the gun because I didn't have a model for the gun, and the model that I have found on the internet was like really buggy, and yeah. And this is the gun tip. The gun tip is the place where the rope or the hook comes out of it. Now this is the map. It has all the entities. The layer, it layers are the all the entities layers are defaulted by layer ground, because the grappling hook can only hook to the ground, of course. Everything that I call ground, the grappling hook can hook to it. Pretty cool, right? I'm just going right here and setting the ground to default because I had a problem when testing the player. It was like the player was grappling to the floor. You could find it on the intro, me clicking and the player not hooking to what I'm looking at. So the problem that I have is I have no HUD, HUD, and the HUD is like a point on in the middle of the screen. It is in the middle of the screen, centered, and it shows where the grappling hook is going to attach to, because I made the grappling hook attached to the center where the player looks, the center of the camera of the player. So yeah, that was a little bit of a problem. The lighting, I was trying with the light a little bit. I was using directional lights, and you can rotate them around. As you can see in the game here, you could see the time. It's just like the time moving, but I'm just moving the light. It's like you can see the sun right here. I'm just moving it around. So, and this is the player, and the player composes of the capsule collider. So if I touch a entity or a block, it doesn't go through it. A rigid body that is the rigid body that is that what defines where the player is and its mass, the gravity, and everything. Here is a player movement script. This is the script that I made. So I didn't make it. I copied it of a YouTuber named Dani. Big shout out to him. He's a real legend. From his I think it's second channel named Dani 2. Shout out to him. He's a pretty cool guy. Knows a lot about programming. He makes a lot of cool games. One of his games, Carlson, I guess its name is. It's a pretty cool game. I played it. You can say it's demo. It's not out. It will be out on Steam, I guess. But until it's out on Steam, maybe I'm going to make a video on it. I don't know. So this is the orientation. As you can see, the orientation has a little bit of glasses, I guess, that orientates the player around, so the camera knows where to rotate. For example, if you get your mouse to the left, the player rotates to the left, mouse to the right, and your player rotates to the right, up, down, down, and yeah. The head is where the camera is going to settle in the, where is it? Main camera, no, camera, yep, is the move camera script. I took the hand, it is got, and the head is like, this script allows me to, it just tells the camera to be placed where the head is, that's all. And yeah, my goal is to make a parkour game. Until now I just had moving, sprinting. You can move WASD, sprint with shift, and slide holding E, and jump holding space. Well, sometimes jumping doesn't work. I don't know why. Now it's just sliding. Yeah, that's a little bit weird. Yeah. No worries, I'm gonna fix it. I'm still working. By the way, this is my first game development. So, yeah, it's been pretty hard. I learned about Unity and the Unity engine and how does it work. I learned about the scripting on C++, like, cause for example, let's open the player movement script. As you can see, it is going to open the Visual Studio. That means I am using the C++ language. Yeah, C++ language. Microsoft Visual C++. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I have been doing during this whole time. I hope you have liked it a little bit. I'm working on a game. All suggestions will be welcomed. If you want like something to the game, because this is going to be a parkour game where we are going to be having different maps, different goals, and yeah, it's gonna be fun, I guess. Hope you like it and have a great day. See ya. Actually, there is one more thing I should say. I'm sorry for the lack of the videos. I'm going to try and make a video per week or 2 videos per week. And I wanted to tell you that I don't think what's happened to me when I did like those videos about what is a VPN and cybersecurity. My first video was talking about the school system and it has gone viral. And I just messed up on the next 2 videos. I didn't know. Oh man. I regret making those 2 videos. Man, what? I don't think what was I thinking. I'm so sorry for that. It is going to be game development and talking about news, opinions, and other things, and not something that you can Google. Sorry again. I hope you forgive me. Bye.